Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and loaded with features, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2013 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, security system, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, wipers, variable speed intermittent. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.